What's up YouTube? Mike here for Laser Restorations, and in today's video we'll be pitting our 1000-watt laser system against a rusty grill. Stay tuned for more laser cleaning action. I've had this smoker for about 3 years now, and this thing is phenomenal. I can't say enough about how easy it is to use and the great stuff you can make with it. But I've noticed the heat dispersion plate is starting to look a little worse for wear. So I thought, hey, that's an excellent application for laser cleaning. I've got to try that out. So in this video, we're going to be working on cleaning this thing up for the spring.